Okay, Shiri is a Korean action film dealing with the subject of the unification of North and South Korea. This one is very much kind of like a pretty standard action film where you have two different sides. So therefore you do have members of the opposing sides kind of falling in love and trying to deal with that while at the same time being on opposite sides of a massive war. Or massive impending war, I should say. Like I said, it is pretty much a by-the-numbers movie of this sort of caliber, where you've got two different sides and a love kind of caught in the center. I will say this, when people complain about the amount of violence in an American film, these films have got a decent amount of blood in them for being an action film. The really unique aspect is what they use for their bizarre device. They end up having an explosive that looks like water until it's exposed to both light and heat, and it becomes like a red sphere of a super high impact explosive. Or super high explosive power. So in that aspect, pretty interesting. But beyond that, this again is kind of a relatively by the numbers sort of action film.